Hello, students and participants. Myself Vinod Magdum, lecturer in economics. I am dealing with the paper marketing management, and today's topic is importance of marketing. We will discuss what are the advantages of modern marketing. Here we'll go to discuss. The marketing is considered as the most important activity in the present day of business. Now, without the marketing, the business will be meaningless. Quite often, the success of a business or a company is considered equal, synonymous with the success of its marketing. Apart from becoming so crucial to a business, it is also helpful to the consumer and the development of the economy as well as the society. You know, Over a period of time, the businesses they have realized various dimensions and the significance of this function, the marketing, and a more comprehensive view is being adopted. Specialized branches of marketing like the marketing of consumer goods and services, the industrial goods and services, they have developed with their own unique features, characteristics. You know, Nowadays, marketing we are considered as a concept applicable not only to goods but also to the services that includes health service, investment, counseling, bank deposits and loans, etc. The marketing is so important to the business, to the consumers, as well as to the society. Now, for the business house marketing, you know, the business house marketing that brings revenue. For the consumer, it provides the goods and services of utility. For the society, it enables a redistribution of income and generation of employment. And moreover, it is helpful improving the standards of living. It is very important one. Then one might think about what are the advantages, what are the importances of marketing. You can take it as major advantages or importances or significances of marketing. Okay, you know, marketing, the major advantages having the first one, marketing is important to the business organization since it is the activity that sells the product and brings revenue to the company, and it is also the key to its success. Students, nowadays research and development is taking place, and as a result the production is also enhanced. Without proper marketing or achieve this success in the marketing, this research, development, production, everything will become meaningless. Therefore, we have to think on the utility of the marketing that can be taken up to achieve good research and development and tap the production or produce. Scanning the environment, finding market opportunities, formulating product policies, evolving distribution and pricing strategies are some of the problem areas which pose challenges to the success of a business. Marketing takes care of all these challenges. As I said, there are many the challenges such as understanding the environment, market environment, looking after the new marketing opportunities, yes, formulation of the product policies, evolving distribution channels and different pricing strategies. These all are the set of problems, and these to be dealt through the marketing. Marketing will take care of all these challenges. The very next advantage or importance of marketing is marketing enables the consumers to exercise choice and to improve their levels of consumption. See, there are consumers there are. They go through having their own choices in the market for the goods and services, and they try to improve their consumption level. In a sense, marketing is defined as the delivery of the standard of living, the easy availability of goods and services, particularly quality goods at competitive prices. It can be made possible only by an efficient marketing system. In such a system, the consumer becomes the king. The very next and third point is marketing creates time, place, and possession utilities to products and services. It creates time utility, place utility, yes, by facilitating, by making availability of goods and services to the public, to the society. The products are useful only when they are available at the right time and at the right place, as well as to the right person who needs it. Marketing creates these utilities. That's very important. The very next fourth point is marketing contributes to the economic development of the country. How it contributes? It symbolizes the economic development of a country. It indicates the economic development of the country. This is because, on the one hand, marketing activities generate employment and income. Okay, listen carefully. I am saying marketing activities will generate employment and income on the one hand, and on the other hand, the development of the country is reflected in the variety and volume of goods and services available for the consumers, for the countrymen. The per capita availability of essential consumer goods. I am saying the per capita, per head availability of essential consumer goods is an indicator of the level of poverty or affluence in a country. The more the goods and services are being available with the countrymen, to the community, to the society of a country, the more the welfare is being indicated. And the very next and fifth point, that is, marketing offers career opportunities to a large number of people. Yes, we do agree that the marketing, it's related occupations. those account for a significant portion of the employment generated in the country. Many of the people are being appointed in the marketing activities, so therefore it generates employment opportunities. It is one of the major advantage of the marketing. I hope you understood the major advantages or importance of the marketing. Go through writing the main points. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any queries, make a call to me or put a message in the comment box. Thank you for watching the video. Stay home, stay safe, take care.